Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's embark on a creative journey into the world of logo design using OpenArt. Join me as we explore the art of crafting logos that capture the essence of businesses. So, let's begin. To begin, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will find a prompt field where your logo design ideas come to life. For instance, imagine craft a logo for a pet care business that radiates warmth and compassion, featuring friendly animal illustrations and soothing natural colors. Feel free to add a unique twist using a negative prompt. Once your prompt is set, just click Create. Now, witness the magic of OpenArt in action. And lo and behold, your logo masterpiece is now complete. Click on the image to explore its intricate details. It's as simple as that. Your imagination transforms into a business logo with just a prompt. Dive into a world of limitless creativity and craft logos that capture the essence of businesses with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.